Alrighty guys, this is the elevator here at a dormitory here at Purdue, here in West Lafayette, Indiana. We have ourselves a Otis Hydro here to ride.
Called Shreve Hall. I gotta go out and get the bag.
Okay.
So I'm gonna push you in there.
As it's series 2. Here we go. Here we go down to 1. Let's go back up to 2 and get cab view. Standard stainless steel cab. Nice floor. Near series 2. Here we 2. It's a very quiet elevator. There's a floor indicator, capacity of 2,100. Hopefully a new installed in the existing building. But obviously this was installed to make it ADA compliant. And here at 1. No. It's a nice building. It's a they added this thing in to make it ADA compliant. With that being said, I guess that is going to be it for me.